Are you ready? Oh, is that your breath? Is that your... That's funny, isn't it? Okay, sis. Got the coffee. Got the kids. Here we go. What is it? Are you a fire-breathing dragon? Good morning. Good morning, sis. Delilah. Hello, hello. Let's get in the car. It's chilly. We are starting the vlog late. It is 2:06, 2:07, and I just had a video go live. We have been doing them at 2 p.m. Sorry, I have a lost kinder. Are you okay? Okay. We have been doing them at 2 p.m. every day just because I feel like that is when most of you are on here. So I'm just getting a chance to sit down to eat. It is Wednesday, so we have late start days on Wednesday. And I just got my times messed up and I didn't get a chance to eat. So we have moved up in the world. I have a little bit of soy sauce on the rice. So feeling pretty cool right now, trying to get over this stomach flu, slowly introducing different sauces. It's not too acidic for me, but you could, you know, I wanted to add like tomato sauce or something, but that would be too acidic. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but the day has been a whirlwind. I might show you some art if I get a chance, but we are gonna head home, and I really want to do the floor so we can bring back the rug in. I feel like I've been talking about the rug for so long. And then I want to prep some breakfast burritos or something for the morning because I just get so hungry in the morning. We don't have any tortillas, so I'm going to go out and find some tortillas, and then we're going to prep some breakfast burritos, make some dinner, maybe do a little craft, and yep, we will see you at home. What are we going to get?
Sweet potato.
Yeah, we need a sweet potato for our recipe. We're going to go down to our prepper pantry and just take a look at it. Can you turn the light on? Good job. Oh, can you move your monster truck, please? Mommy doesn't want to trip and fall. Oh goodness. Well, I did say move it, didn't I? Oh, there you go, big girl. So I'd like to organize the prepper pantry this week at some point this weekend, just so I can put some of the canned items and things. So can you get a get a sweet potato for Mama. How about you get the small one in the back, honey? All the way in the back.
This?
Yep, that's the one. Thank you. Good job. All right, say bye, pantry.
Bye, pantry.
Okay. Here we go, Della June. Friends, I'm going to show you a quick little side dish with the sweet potatoes. Can you say hi? And my helper here. And these are great for just like little nourish bowls, you could say. So you could put it on quinoa or rice, or it's just an easy side. And I do this a lot when I'm trying to clean out the fridge with vegetables. This lighting is just, it's not it. There it is. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You could do it with, I really thought there was someone there. Oh my gosh, I'm just losing it tonight. So you could, if you wanted to do a different sauce with this, you could just do olive oil, salt, and pepper, but it's really up to you. I am going to just use that kale pesto from Trader Joe's, so I'll show you how I put it together. So this is going to be a sheet pan side. You could, of course, do it on the skillet if you have time. I'm going to do some sweet potato diced pretty.
And this,
yeah.
and this, and this.
Thank you. Yeah, exactly. Yes. So some sweet potato diced pretty small. We have cauliflower, but of course you could do broccoli. We have some bell pepper.
Hi.
Hello. And then we have some chickpeas and green onions. And then what I'm going to do is take I set it over here, a little bit of the vegan kale pesto. There is extra virgin olive oil in there, and I'm just going to kind of mix this all together and let it roast at 400 for around 20 to 25 minutes. And this will be great for tonight. Hello, just to ease into things. But I could also put it over some quinoa for tomorrow, or couscous, or rice, or I mean just anything really. But it adds a really nice bulk thing for us vegans. I make it with sausage for my husband, so I will fry up some sausage tomorrow night when he's with us for dinner. And yeah, this will last us like 3 days. So I always like to do a bunch of roasted vegetables with some type of sauce. Make a quick little holiday craft, we shall call it. I'm going to put it on my shelves over there. And I have this bag from the Dollar Tree, and it says joy on it. I'm going to try and pick it apart and then put this pattern into the triangles, and then each letter will spell joy. And I think that will be the a cute way to display it. All right, so I have the letters cut out. Says joy, and now I'm just going to measure out the triangles onto the paper, and hopefully if it fits. If it doesn't, then it is what it is.
We need more than hopes and wishes for us to make it through the night. Stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night. Before this night is over, I will guide you home.
So here's this, and then the J will go like right there. I think it's simple and cute. I really love the greenery. You will have to tell me which one you like the best. I have 3 options here. I have this one with some bottle brush trees. I have a wall hanging that you could make into like a little tree of sorts. And then I also have the joy, and that was the plan from all along. So let me know which one you like the best.
Told that time will heal all our wounds and our sorrows too. No more clouds.
All right, I'm gonna attempt to clean the fans here. Here is what it looks like. I think it just goes right through there, and it extends. So we'll see if I can reach it here. Okay, let's see what happens. I go all the way out. And mommy goes onto the couch. Okay. Uh-oh.
Happened.
I don't know.
Pretty broken, mommy. I'm making story fan.
It is dirty. Well,
Out.
that didn't work. can at least do this.
All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love, you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to life. I got 7 years to life. Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping.
All right, we are upstairs. I'm gonna try and bring this rug in by myself, so we shall see how it goes. I'll show you how the sun really cleaned it. The sun does amazing things and terrible things at the same time. So we are gonna go get that rug and bring it inside. I got the rug. It's
That's a green one. That's a deep one.
it's a little heavier than I thought it would be. Should probably put the camera down, right?
And the star will always shine. It's the season